Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you a workaround if your AOL app suddenly went into light mode settings when it was always in dark mode settings as you had before. I've got the theme of my phone set to dark mode, so all apps generally match the theme of the phone. That includes the AOL app that I use. I went into my AOL app today and everything had a white background. The news, the emails, everything was white. I went into the More settings and tried to match device's theme settings by turning the tab on. When I did so, I went back out of the menu and found that the screens were still white. I went back into More and Settings and discovered the tab had switched itself back off. I tried to uninstall the app, reinstall it, clear the cache, do all sorts of things, and couldn't figure out why my AOL app had gone to light mode settings on its own. After playing around a bit, I clicked on Themes just above, went into my account, and saw at the bottom of the screen there was a setting for dark mode. I clicked on that, I clicked Save at the top, and that was it. I went back into the dark mode setting that I had previously. I hope that helped you too. Thanks for watching.